Haridwar, gateway to God, where timeless flow of the Ganges River carries with it a spiritual legacy that has captivated hearts for centuries. Amidst this spiritual heaven, the city also houses Nature Learning Center at Shyampur, an initiative by Research Wing of Uttarakhand Forest Department. This center strives to educate, protect, and create awareness about diverse flora and fauna associated with our cultural and spiritual tradition, in sync with the importance of this place in our heritage. Spread over an area of over 50 acres, this Nature Learning Center beautifully showcases all aspects of biodiversity. It covers spiritual, scientific, medicinal, aesthetic, and literary aspects, providing a comprehensive understanding of natural world. At the heart of Nature Learning Center lies Tulsi Vatika, a space adorned with over 20 diverse species of tulsi, each with its unique qualities and attributes. Then there is a garden housing plant species mentioned in and associated with all major religions. Valmiki Ramayana beautifully portrays nature's glory. In Aranyakand, it narrates Lord Rama's 14-year forest exile from Ayodhya to Lanka, encountering diverse forest landscapes, and has detailed mention of around 140 different plant species. There is a section to showcase this lesser explored facet of the epic. Similarly, plant species mentioned in another important epic, Mahabharata, are displayed. It was in the forest that Pandavas spent most of their exile period, and where they learned important lessons about life and nature. Buddha Vatika hosts all major tree species linked to Buddha's life and Buddhist traditions, including Sal, Ashok, Jamun, and Peepal. Here one can understand the relationship between culture and ecology that forms an integral part of Buddhist traditions. Tree species like Khajur, Anar, and Angur, having found repeated mention in Quran Sharif, have been grown and displayed here. Additionally, poplar and Christmas tree, mentioned in the Bible, have been displayed in a separate section. Sikhism always gave very importance to tree species, having named many of historical gurdwaras after tree species, and accordingly, Ber, Haritha, Imli and Shisham have been grown here. Jainism has one particular tree species identified with each of 24 Tirthankars and species of Bargad, Chirpine, Bahira, and Bale associated with various Tirthankars have been grown and displayed here. Bharat Vatika showcases India's rich biodiversity, symbolizing unity in diversity. Each state's designated tree and flower reflects its uniqueness and heritage. Considerable efforts were invested to cultivate and safeguard these trees, which include chinar, sandalwood, agarwood, and coconut tree from diverse regions. There is a separate zone for pollinators where various nectar-bearing as well as host plants that support larvae, eggs, and pupae have been grown to attract and create suitable habitat for pollinators. There is a Dhanvantari Vatika, named after god of Ayurveda, which houses a rich treasure of around 60 different species of medicinal plants, including Brahmi, Ashwagandha, Aparajita, Ghrit Kumari, Sarpagandha, Chitrak, Adusa or Vasa, and lemongrass. These plants are revered across cultures for treating and preventing ailments and for their therapeutic properties. Furthermore, Nature Learning Center also has a dedicated area for rare, endangered, and threatened species like golden Himalayan spike, Catomyxis baccharoides, Doon cheesewood, Gaithi, and another for riparian species found in Uttarakhand like Varangu, Kala Tendu, and drooping fig. These species are facing various threats in their natural habitat and hence being grown and conserved here. Nature Learning Center also encompasses a section highlighting trees considered to be sacred and integral part of our cultural tradition, like Rudraksha Vatika, which is associated with Lord Shiva, Camphor or Kapoor tree, which holds deep significance in Hindu religion, Parijat, considered to be a divine flower and highly aromatic, as well as Chandan, Sita Ashok, and Bale, all of which have been highly important part of religious tradition of India. Panchavati Vatika clusters Amla, Peepal, Bale, Ashok, and banyan trees, all with profound medicinal and religious value. Nature Learning Center also has plants associated with Lord Shiva, Lord Krishna, and Hindu goddesses. Species like Belpatra, Dhatura, Harshringar, and Rudraksh are revered since antiquity with Lord Shiva. Krishnavat, Vaijayanti, Kadamba, and Malshri are plants associated with Lord Krishna. Neem, banana, amla, and hibiscus, symbolizing Devi Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, and Kali, are also grown here. One can also discover the complete set of 10 Dashmul medicinal species and harmonious trio of Amla, Har, and Baheda in Triphala Vatika. It also has a Vatika showcasing various tree species linked with different zodiac signs. Nestled within this Nature Learning Center, the captivating Nature Interpretation Center takes the spotlight. It showcases rare, endangered, and threatened species, extracts of medicinal plants of Uttarakhand, threatened water birds, an amazing number of 18 different woodpecker species reported in Uttarakhand, pheasants, and local butterflies. Interpretation Center also offers insights into state flowers, herpetofauna of Uttarakhand, River Ganga's biodiversity, camera trapping images, and other significant displays. Nature Learning Center stands out for its engaging approach in teaching about nature and inculcating ethos of conservation. It is like a bridge that connects what we know about nature and what we can learn from it. So, while you're here, take some time to explore this amazing place where wonders of nature come together to create something truly special.